Welcome! So in this video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to fix Cash App your bank declined this payment. So if you want to know how to do this, just keep on watching. So if you receive the error message your bank declined this payment on Cash App, it indicates that your bank has rejected the transaction. This can happen due to various reasons, such as insufficient funds, incorrect card details, or a security measure initiated by your bank. Here are some steps you can take to address the issue. So first, verify card details. Double-check the card details you entered on Cash App, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Ensure that all the information is accurate and matches the details associated with your bank account. Now, check account balance. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your bank account or linked debit card to cover the transaction. If your account balance is low or insufficient, you may need to add funds or use an alternative payment method. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank customer service or support hotline to inquire about the reason for the declined payment. They can provide more information about the specific decline and offer guidance on resolving any issues. Verify security settings. In some cases, banks have security measures in place that may block certain transactions for security reasons. Check with your bank to ensure that there are no security restrictions on your account that could be causing the payment decline. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using a different payment method, such as a different card or a linked bank account to complete the transaction on Cash App. Then lastly, contact Cash App support. So if you have taken the above or the previous steps and the issue still persists, it is recommended to reach out to Cash App customer support directly. You can typically contact them through the app or their official website. Provide them with details of the issue and any error messages you received so that they can assist you in resolving the problem. Remember, both Cash App and your bank have security measures in place to protect your account and transactions. It is important to follow with your bank and Cash App support to understand the specific reason for the payment decline and find a suitable solution. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!